Tired of dealing with obsolete video surveillance systems and local storage limitations? SCATI has an advanced cloud-based video surveillance recording and management solution that allows you to efficiently monitor and protect your business, ensuring peace of mind and control no matter where you are. Now, we will show you how SCATI Cloud operates and the main functionalities it offers you. SCATI Cloud allows live viewing of all the cameras that are registered in the bridge, putting the matrix in full screen. The user will be able to edit the layout of the display matrix of all cameras to suit his operational needs. When there is a matrix with many cameras, there is the possibility of filtering by name, which will return all the cameras that match the searched value, and their images will be displayed immediately. There is also a series of additional filters available to select the cameras to be displayed according to predefined parameters. Camera ID, status, online, offline, assigned labels, or the camera groupings created. In addition to the real-time view in matrix or grid format, SCATI Cloud allows the user to create other customized layouts in which the user can choose which cameras to view simultaneously and their size within the display area. The layouts are easily editable, giving the user the freedom to configure the views according to their needs. The slideshow mode allows the user to sequentially toggle the display of all cameras, those assigned specific tags or those belonging to a certain bridge. In the same display mode, it is possible to select the length of the interval at which each screen is displayed, as well as the number of columns and the number of rows displayed in each view. The configuration of each view in presentation mode is very easily configurable. By selecting a camera in the display matrix, if video analytics is configured, it is possible to access all the events that have been generated within the images of that camera. To have a PIP mode display of the camera in real time while accessing the history of events generated in that camera, right-click on the image and select the option to show all controls, and in the new commands that appear, choose that option. In this way, it will be possible to see the real time of that camera, moving it to the desired part of the screen, and to navigate through the events of the analytics. For each event generated by video analytics, you will have a representative frame where the time of the event and the duration of that video fragment will be reported. If the user places the mouse over the frame, the video display will be activated without changing its size. In the recording display, the user can change the playback speed or use the PIP mode again. If the user wants to view the video in a larger size, he/she must click on the frame to open the playback window. In this window, in the lower left part, the classification of the objects that triggered the analysis, people, animals, vehicles, is detailed. You can consult the labeling of that camera or add new labels to it. If the user, for the purposes of agility, wants to make a specific modification to that camera, it is possible to modify its settings directly from this section. In the side menu, by clicking on Motion Events, all detected motion events are displayed for each of the SCATI Cloud cameras that have been configured in this way. By mousing over the frame, the video clip of the event in question is played. It is possible to delete or download the videos associated with these events. By default, the events of the last 30 days are displayed, but the user will have the possibility to select the time interval to be displayed. For a more precise event search, the user can select the type of object that generated the event. Animals, bicycles, people, etc., within the possibilities allowed by the analytics. In the side menu, by clicking on Multi-Camera Playback, it is possible to access the recordings of the cameras registered in SCATI CLOUD. The user must select from all available cameras the camera or cameras to be viewed and the time interval for which the recordings are to be viewed, selecting date and time. It is possible to modify the playback speed, speeding it up or slowing it down. If motion is being recorded, the timeline will show the time instance where motion was detected and for which a recording is available. If the user clicks on one of them, he/she will have access to the recordings of that time instant. The user has the option of downloading the video in MP4 format from the selected cameras, setting the start and end time of the time interval to be downloaded. The SCATI Cloud solution allows you to connect from mobile devices, smartphones or tablets, Android or iOS, to the cameras and view them remotely. On the main screen of the app, you can access the SCATI Cloud cameras in real time. The user will be able to access a specific camera to view it in real time and zoom in on the image. At the bottom, you have the information of all the analytics events generated in that camera, and you can access the details of these events. You can also access the stored video of that camera through a calendar. If the camera has a built-in speaker, through the SCATI Cloud app, the user can send an audio message from their device to be played back on the camera. The user can change the order in which the cameras are displayed, hide them from the display, or delete them directly. If one of the cameras is PTZ, through the SCATI Cloud app, the user will be able to move it thanks to its remote controls and zoom in or out. SCATI Cloud, the evolution of video surveillance towards the cloud.